You a call in regards to a new client to see if I can get them set up with you?
Okay. Do you have the client information?
Yes, I do. Can you possibly get him set up today between 12 and 4?
Let me see my schedule. Yeah, we have something today in the afternoon.
The accident happened on December 30th.
Yes, that's our email.
Okay, I'll send you over a letter of protection and let him know 3 p.m. today.
All right. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
So in the car accident industry, it is very common for a client to get set up with a doctor where the doctor agrees that they will get paid back out of the settlement. The way this works is the law firm will send something called a letter of protection to the doctor, which is an agreement that makes sure the law firm will pay back the doctor when the case settles. This is a huge weight off of the client's back because they don't need to use health insurance. They don't need to come out of pocket for any expenses. That's the last thing that they want to do. They just got involved in a car accident. They're trying to figure out their vehicle situation. Their kids need to go to school. They need to go to work. Their whole routine of life is thrown off. And now they've got to worry about which doctor they're going to go to for their car accident injuries, how they're going to pay that doctor. Will the auto insurance company even cover it? There's a lot going on, and it's very concerning, and this is why people are very vulnerable in this situation, and insurance companies coming in, giving them a quick offer to make it all go away sounds appetizing when it should not be. If you have a good law firm on your side, they will have your back. They will make sure that you're able to get the medical treatment that you need for the car accident, and they will make sure that you don't have to come out of pocket for it. A lot of people like to run their mouth about like, oh, well, the doctor has backdoor agreements with the law firm and blah, 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 blah. I can't speak for other law firms and what kind of shady stuff they're doing, but the bottom line is I want to make sure that our clients are going to a well-known, reputable doctor that they can go look up on the internet themselves. They could see all the reviews. They could see people that are saying good things about that doctor. It's also a good thing that that doctor has worked with a car accident case before. You see, there's a very specific way to document medical records, and there's a very specific type of billing that the insurance company will approve in the first place. When you have a doctor that has seen thousands of people that have been injured in car accidents, that's a pretty experienced, reputable doctor that's going to know how to treat you for your car accident. You just go to your primary care doctor or go through your health insurance company. These are not doctors that specialize in car accident injuries. You're going to go in, they're going to say, okay, this is the pain you have. Follow up here. Here's a script for your pain. Another really important thing is these doctors agree up front that if their medical bill needs to be reduced to make the case numbers work, they will do that. And that is a real benefit to the client. This is a risk for the doctors. This is a risk for the law firm. No one is asking the client for any money at any point in time. Everyone's agreeing that if we can make this case work, everyone gets paid out of the case. At least for me, it's very important that our clients are going to a good doctor. I don't care if that doctor brings cookies to our office because they do it all the time. Here's some cookies. Next time you get a client, send them our way. I appreciate the cookies and everything like that, but that's not going to cause me to send a client your way. What's going to cause me to send a client your way is everything that I just mentioned before, because it's all about the client. They are the number one priority in the case. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If you'd like a free case evaluation, feel free to reach out anytime. 832-925-2030. God bless you and have a good day.